thank you so much for joining me for this video today. My name is Nicole and I'm a part-time reseller on eBay and Poshmark and Depop. And if you like reselling content, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel so you can see more content from me. I do post every week. So today I have it's basically a Poshmark MODCLOTH mystery box haul for you guys. So I recently found somebody on Poshmark who had MODCLOTH reseller boxes available in their closet for $50 for 10 pieces from MODCLOTH. Now, I'll be completely honest with you guys. I'm not very familiar with MODCLOTH. I thought MODCLOTH clothes was like just their brand, but it looks like MODCLOTH sells all different kinds of brands, and they have retail stores, I think, and you can buy online. And so originally when I bought this, when I got it in the mail, I was like, these are not all MODCLOTH brand, but it looks like MODCLOTH sells other brands like in their stores and on their site, kind of like Anthropologie. So anyway, if you guys have any information about MODCLOTH clothing, please let me know. And if you see a brand here that I show you that's not actually from MODCLOTH, like it's not sold at MODCLOTH, please let me know. I'm very knowledgeable in MODCLOTH. I've only found a couple pieces ever of theirs, and some of their stuff doesn't sell for real great, so I usually don't pick it up. I'm just really picky with what I pick up from them or not. So today I have a mystery box haul from you guys. I purchased this from somebody on Poshmark, and they had sold multiple boxes like this, and they had a lot of MODCLOTH in their closet. I assumed when I looked at it, when they had stuff listed as MODCLOTH, that it was the actual branded MODCLOTH. But when I got this box, there are several pieces that are not branded MODCLOTH, which is what I was kind of wanting, but they're brands that are sold at MODCLOTH, I guess. So I had to do a little bit of research once I got it, because I'm just not knowledgeable about MODCLOTH at all. But I definitely want to learn. So if any of you guys have any information about MODCLOTH you want to leave in the comment section, please do so that I can learn too. Anyway, let's just get right into this haul, and then I'm going to talk to you about if I'm happy with the box, and you know, I'll probably tell you about what I think I'm going to be able to make on the box. Like I said, it was a $50 box for 10 pieces, so that's a really good, in my opinion, it's about $5 per item, and plus there was tax and shipping, so it was probably a little bit closer to $62. I can't remember exact, but it wasn't much past that. So really, it's still probably going to be a pretty good deal on most of the pieces, and I did get a few new tag pieces too. So okay, so this is the first item that I want to show you guys, and this brand I don't like picking up. Honestly, I'll probably take this to a buy-sell trade store here I have in town. I kind of have stuff that I periodically will put in a bag to take to them. And I'll probably lose money on this particular piece, but I don't think I'm going to sell it unless I can find like a stock photo that's really nice. I just don't know if I'll be able to sell it or not, but this is Jack by BB Dakota. I really didn't think that this brand was sold at MODCLOTH. It does say that BB Dakota is, but I don't know about Jack by BB Dakota. But okay, it is new at tags, so I'm happy about that. It is just a small mini dress, so it is cute. I would say I probably can sell this to the buy-sell trade store, but I don't think if I sell it online I'll be able to get much out of it. But we'll see. Maybe if I can find a good stock photo for Poshmark, maybe I can make like $20 on it. I don't know. Let me know if that brand is actually sold at MODCLOTH too, because I'm interested. Like I said, I'm not real knowledgeable. Okay, so this is a really pretty dress, and it's new without tags. It's called Geode. I don't know. The person I bought this from, she had the same dress listed in her Poshmark closet as MODCLOTH. So it is a really pretty dress. Definitely something you could. It's got all this tulle. It's like a midi length. It's very pretty. It's a size medium. And you know, one thing with this is there's a couple pieces in here that she had in her closet, and honestly guys, I'm gonna like go and copy some of her listing if she has the it looked like she had a couple of the stock photos for these dresses, a couple of them, so I'll probably end up just finding them and using them from her closet. So I don't know if that's a little controversial, but I'm gonna do that. This is also new at tags. This is by bandapparel.us It's called Band, www.bandapparelus, or it looks like it's a UK brand as well. This says Dancing Days. This is an adorable skirt. It is like little daisies or something, and it's like a fit and flare. It is really cute. I might keep for myself because I'm really loving like little tiny flower patterns. Now this is something, I got 2 of these, one in small and one in medium, so I'm thinking she probably couldn't sell them very good. This is the MODCLOTH brand. These have a really cute stock photo that I found, and they're actually really cute, especially on the back. I probably wouldn't wear them because they're Moto, and I don't really like this, but Moto will be a good, you know, title or keyword. And one thing that is nice is she has some of these pieces listed in her closet, so I can look and see what the style names are. I don't know if you can look up MODCLOTH style names, but I can find them on there. This is a size medium. So I would be happy to make like $20 on each piece. I would make really good profit if I did that. She also had everything individually bagged, which was nice. Definitely is a reseller and has her stuff together. This is called Bright and Beautiful. I think this is probably, she had it marked as MODCLOTH. Definitely like a boutique brand. I guess MODCLOTH sells boutique brands. I don't know. This is kind of cute though. I thought it was really pretty. It's a pink dress. It's a very pretty dress. So for $6 and new tags, it's a size small, it says, or UK 10, US 6. Yeah, so it's a size small, size 6. It's cute. Looks a little bigger than a size 6, but it is in excellent condition. Has a zipper on the back. This is the other MODCLOTH branded item. And this is actually a wrap. It's not wrapped on here. It's just tied in the front, but this is a wrap top, like a blouse. And it is almost a mustardy yellow. Kind of like a golden yellow. It's very pretty. And then I got 3 pairs of shoes. So nice thing is she had these, I think she had all these listed, these actual particular shoes listed as MODCLOTH, and she had stock photos. So honestly, listing this stuff is going to be really easy because all I really had to do with most of it was look at her closet, and I just took screenshots of the photos in her closet, of the stock photos. I'll take my own photos as well, but have the stock photos so I can easily use those if I want to. And then I also took like a screenshot of the brand and stuff like that with the, she had like the style names and stuff. So that makes it really easy to list this stuff because she's already done like the hard work. I know that's kind of like, it's kind of controversial, but I do whatever I can to make my business work quicker, you know, work smarter, not harder, they say. And I won't word for word use what she used, but because she already has all of the brands as well as the style numbers, I'll probably just copy paste the style, and not the style number, but the style of it, which will make it really easy for me. I'll just look at it and use that. So this is a pair of sandals. I really do actually wish these would have been my size or size 5, so they're very small. These are Seychelles, which I have heard are a good brand. Can I just show you? But I have heard those are a good brand, so I'm excited. Plus, summer is coming, so the only thing is with a lot of these is there's markings underneath. So I'm wondering if she got these at like the Goodwill bins, like a bunch of stuff. I don't know. Or that's like a Goodwill thing, right? $15. So I don't know how I'm gonna get that off. I think they say you can use like alcohol or something, but there is some like slip resistant stuff on here. You can't really tell. So I'm not sure exactly if I have to, because I don't want the 15. I might just color it in with permanent marker, you know, but I'll photograph it so people know. These are also really cute. These are by Chelsea Crew. These are definitely what I would say MODCLOTH style, so I wouldn't be surprised, I guess, if they were sold at MODCLOTH. They're in excellent condition. marked for $5. Well, that's what it looks like. It says 5. Maybe they're size 5. And the brand, it says they're 36. I'm thinking these probably are a size 5, maybe. Honestly, you know, $50 for 10 items, some new with tags, everything is in excellent condition. I didn't find anything that was flawed. And then here's another pair of Chelsea Crew. And she had these also in her closet already, which was really nice. I think these are a size 10. It looks like they say 10 on them. So that is the last piece out of this box. Overall, I am really happy with what I got. Honestly, guys, if this isn't all brands that are sold at MODCLOTH, that's a bummer. I'll have to kind of look into it and research, but I do think they probably are, because she's listed a lot of items in her closet, and according to MODCLOTH, they do sell different brands. So I always just thought that MODCLOTH was like a store, but it was like their brand, like they sold everything, that like Maurice's or whatever. Everything is Maurice's, right? So I was kind of surprised when I got pieces that weren't MODCLOTH. Like, I was bummed out. I was like, oh, she really got me. But it's a little misleading in my opinion. I think I would have said these are all brands that are sold at MODCLOTH instead of just MODCLOTH, you know. But also in the listings, I'm gonna put that. So I'm gonna list them, and a lot of these probably don't have what do you call it, but brands and on Poshmark, so it's probably why she listed it as MODCLOTH, but I definitely think in the description it should say the actual brand of it, you know. I'll also take photos and everything, but yeah, so I overall am really happy with what I got. I got some good brands, I think. Even if I just sold the piece that actually said MODCLOTH, which I think I'll be able to sell the other ones as well, I still think I would do well. And with the Seychelles, I think I'll be able to sell those for probably at least 30. I mean, we'll see. I'm not going to be really picky about how much I get on these pieces. If I can like quadruple my money, or even triple or quadruple my money, whatever, I'll be really happy. I think selling most of the stuff even for like $20-$25, I'll be really happy. So overall, I'm actually really happy with what I got, even though I was kind of had this expectation, which is partially probably my fault, but because I don't know a lot about MODCLOTH. Anyway, like I said, guys, if you know anything about them or the brands they sell, or maybe brands that you know that I showed you that are sold at MODCLOTH, please let me know in the comments section. I just don't know. I don't know much about MODCLOTH. So guys, thank you so much for watching. Please don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel if you want to see more content from me. I do try to post content every week. It seems to be a lot of Fridays I'm able to post. I don't have to work some Fridays, so it ends up working out. But I'm going to try to post one video every week at least. Hopefully more if I can get back into it. I just got a new computer, so I'm really happy because my old computer was really slow and I really needed to get a new one. And I just purchased a new one with my eBay funds, so money that I made reselling. And it's a really fast computer and I'm super excited to have it. So I definitely think I'll be able to get videos up for you more often now. My computer was just getting so bad that I really wasn't able to make videos. It just took me so long to get videos like download on my computer, and then, you know, making thumbnails and all that stuff. It would take so long because my computer is so slow. So I'm really glad that it looks like I'll be able to get videos up more frequently for you guys. Thank you so much for watching. We'll see you later. Bye!